In 2025, $10,000 can still get you an amazing SUV. We're talking premium features, reliable engines that'll run for years, and safety ratings that'll help you sleep at night. Forget those overpriced new models. These 10 hidden gems are absolute steals. And number one, it's the best deal we've seen in years. 10. 2014 GMC Terrain, starting around $8,500. Let's kick things off with something special. The 2014 GMC Terrain might be the newest SUV on our list, and there's a good reason why it made the cut. First up, that interior quality is insane for the price. We're talking premium materials everywhere you look, and it's one of the quietest cabins in its class. Here's what makes it such great value. A perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating. That's better than pretty much every competitor. Plus, you're getting tons of standard features. Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports for all your devices, and even a rear-view camera. But here's where it gets really interesting. That back seat, it's huge, more legroom than most competitors, perfect for growing families, and you can choose between two engines. A fuel-efficient 4-cylinder that gets up to 32 miles per gallon highway, or a powerful V6 with 301 horses under the hood. 9. 2010 Toyota Venza, around $7,500. Now, if you're looking for something that combines SUV practicality with car-like comfort, the Venza might be your perfect match, and at just $6,000, it's an absolute steal in 2025. Let's talk about what makes this crossover special. First up, that smooth, comfortable ride. It's like driving your living room down the highway. Plus, you're getting Toyota reliability with two great engine choices, a fuel-sipping 4-cylinder that gets up to 29 miles per gallon highway, or a muscular V6 with 268 horsepower. But there's more. Check out these standard features: dual-zone automatic climate control, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, and even Bluetooth with USB connectivity. That's some serious luxury for $6,000. The interior? Super spacious and well-built, high-quality materials throughout, and enough room for 5 adults to stretch out. 8. 2009 Toyota Highlander, starting at $9,900. Looking for a reliable 3-row SUV? The 2009 Highlander might be your answer. And here's why it's such incredible value in 2025. First up, that legendary Toyota reliability. Plus, you're getting a choice of fuel-efficient engines, including a 4-cylinder that's great on gas and a powerful V6 with 270 horses, all for under $7,000. Inside, you're getting seating for up to 7 passengers, a flexible seating arrangement, and that famous Toyota build quality. Plus, check out these features: a 6-speaker audio system, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and an 8-way adjustable driver's seat. The best part? The V6 model can tow up to 5,000 pounds, perfect for weekend adventures. And with up to 27 miles per gallon highway, your wallet will thank you at the pump. 7. 2010 Subaru Forester, starting at $6,500. Now, this is what I call incredible value. Starting at just $3,300, the 2010 Forester is probably the best deal for adventure seekers. Here's what makes it special. Standard all-wheel drive on every model, because, well, it's a Subaru. Excellent safety ratings across the board, and a whopping 68.3 cubic feet of cargo space. Power options? You've got choices. A reliable 170 horsepower base engine, or a turbocharged version with 224 horses, which gives you up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, even with all-wheel drive. The interior might not be luxury car fancy, but it's comfortable, spacious, and built to last. Plus, you're getting a 4-speaker stereo, plenty of legroom front and back, and those famous raised sightlines Subaru's known for. 6. 2010 Nissan Murano, around $5,500. Want something with a bit more style? The 2010 Murano might be right up your alley, and at just $5,000, it's a serious bargain. Let's talk about what you're getting. That gorgeous, sleek exterior design, a powerful 265 horsepower V6 engine, and one of the sportiest drives in its class. Inside, it's even better. Premium materials everywhere, super comfortable front seats, and a spacious back seat that reclines. Plus, check out these standard features: push button, start dual zone automatic climate control, and that commanding driving position everyone loves. Fuel economy, 18 city, 23 highway. Not the best, but that V6 power makes up for it. If you're loving these amazing deals, hit that subscribe button and get ready, because the top 5 SUVs will make these look expensive. 5. 2009 Saturn Outlook, around $5,500. Now here's a hidden gem that most people overlook. The 2009 Outlook is one of the most spacious SUVs on our list, and it's got some serious tricks up its sleeve. First up, that massive interior, seating for 8 adults, almost 116 cubic feet of cargo space. That's more than some modern full-size SUVs. Power? How about 281 horsepower from that V6? Smooth shifting automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. Plus, you're getting a comfortable, smooth ride. Great visibility all around, and features like OnStar telematics system, 6-speaker stereo, and standard cruise control. 4. 2011 Honda CR-V, around $8,000. Looking for something that just works? The 2011 CR-V might be your perfect match. And there's a reason these things hold their value. It has a perfect reliability rating, 5 out of 5 stars. Plus that famous Honda build quality and one of the best interiors in its class. Let's talk about space. A massive 103.8 cubic feet of passenger volume, 35.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, and 73 cubic feet with them folded under the hood. You're getting a reliable 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, 180 horses of pure Honda engineering, and that smooth 5-speed automatic transmission. The features list is impressive too. Standard air conditioning, power windows and locks, cruise control for those long trips. Safety? Oh, they've got you covered. 4-wheel ABS electronic stability control, front and side airbags, and even brake assist. Fuel economy is impressive too. 21 city, 28 highway, with a 15.3-gallon fuel tank. That means fewer stops on road trips. And those Honda engines, they just keep going and going. 3. 2013 Buick Enclave, starting at $9,000. Now we're getting into the luxury territory. But don't let that scare you, because this Buick is an absolute steal in 2025. Let's talk about what you're getting. A powerful 288 horsepower V, 6 smooth shifting 6-speed automatic, and available all-wheel drive. Inside, pure luxury, premium wood and chrome accents, super comfortable seating for up to 8, and one of the biggest cargo areas in its class. We're talking 115 cubic feet of space. Plus, check out these features: USB connectivity, Bluetooth as standard, and that famous Buick Quiet Ride. 2. 2012 Toyota RAV4, around $10,000. The RAV4 has always been a solid choice, but this one's special, and here's why. First up, that reliability. Another perfect 5-star rating. Plus, you're getting options: a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder or a powerful 3.5-liter V6 with 269 horses. Inside, it's all about practicality. Comfortable seating for 5 available third-row seat and up to 73 cubic feet of cargo space. Fuel economy? Up to 28 miles per gallon highway, even better with the 4-cylinder. And Toyota's legendary reliability means this SUV will keep going for years. 1. 2010 Honda CR-V, around $7,000. And now for our #1 spot, the 2010 Honda CR-V. And trust me, this one's absolutely special. Let me tell you why it beats even its 2011 sibling. First up, the price difference. About $1,000 less than the 2011 model, but you're getting almost identical features for way less money. Let's break down why it takes the crown. A perfect reliability rating from J.D. Power 5, stars in front and side crash tests under the hood. That bulletproof 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, 180 horsepower of pure reliability, and a smooth-shifting 5-speed automatic, perfect balance of power and efficiency. Inside, you're getting one of the most upscale interiors in its class. Premium materials everywhere you touch. Super comfortable cloth seats. And of course, that Honda build quality. Check out these standard features. Keyless entry for convenience. A 4-speaker stereo system, and even a maintenance minder system. Storage space? 35.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats. 73 with them folded flat and clever storage solutions throughout. Fuel economy still impresses in 2025. 21 miles per gallon in the city, 28 on the highway. Even with available real-time AWD and with a 15.3-gallon tank, you're looking at some serious range. Here's why it's a better deal than the 2011. Same legendary reliability, identical cargo space, same fuel economy, same powerful engine, but at a much better price point. The best part? These things are known to run past 200,000 miles, with proper maintenance, of course. Parts are super easy to find, and any mechanic can work on them, making ownership costs incredibly low. So there you have it. The 10 best used SUVs under $10,000 in 2025. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing car content. See you in the next video.